The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Huron County, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles north of Lakewood to near Grafton to near Wellington, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Kent, Solon, and Avon Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Summit. The urgent weather